What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to mask your footage so you could have something that looks like this. Now, if you're new to the channel, please take the time right now to hit that subscribe button so you guys can see more videos like this. Now, there's many different ways to mask your footage in DaVinci Resolve. The most popular ways to do it is going through Fusion, but in today's tutorial, we're only going to stick with the color tab. First thing you want to do, you want to have your footage ready to go on the timeline. My current footage that I have is a family playing in the park. And exactly what we're going to do here, we're going to mask this footage so that way we can change the sky in the background. And I'm going to put the footage that I want to mask on the second track so I could have the track that's on the bottom to reveal after I mask the footage. I already downloaded a sky JPEG off of Google and I'm going to drag it right into my timeline down here. Now for our next step is we're going to take this into the color tab. Just go ahead and hit the color tab and make sure you got your main footage highlighted. Let me just color grade this clip real quick so that way it could be a little bit more pleasing to watch. Now that we have all this settled, now we're going to mask our track, okay? So first thing we want to do with the masking, we want to create a new node and we're going to call that node masking, all right? Label it masking. We're going to go to our window, and within our window, we're going to select whatever kind of tool we want to use for our mask. In this case, we're going to use the pen tool. And then we're just going to outline the building here and take out the sky. So let's start that right now. So now that we have highlighted the parts we wanted to mask out and replace, we're gonna now go to the side here on our nodes. We're going to right click on the space right here, and then we're going to add alpha output. And it's going to create a blue little dot right here, which is an out node. It's going to create one of those for you so that way you could just grab the blue part of the node and then connect it directly to that blue part. It automatically turned the spaces that we didn't want into a transparent background. Of course, we don't want the sky in that footage. We wanted to replace the sky. So we're simply gonna go back into our window panels and then we're going to invert this mask. So that way it looks like that, right? Now this might come off a little edgy, it might come off a little tacky. Something that I feel is very useful is being able to soften up the mask here and there just so it could transition from the actual footage into whatever you're replacing or whatever you're masking out. So that makes it a little bit more smoother to the eyes and it doesn't create this jagged edge that we see right here. So we could even make it a lot smoother if we want to by doing something like this. And as you can see, it blends into the environment a lot more. And there you have it on the timeline. If you want to go ahead and grade this a little bit more, you could grab an adjustment layer and throw it right on top of the image. And that way you could grade them a little bit better together. If you guys like the way it came out, please hit that thumbs up so you could support the channel. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video and how simple it is to mask your footage. Thank you guys for watching this video. And if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. Until next time, I will see you on my next one. Deuces.